Get some speed in it.
Does that mean we have to go through there? I feel like that's what we have to do, yeah?
Paradise Bowl over there, yeah.
Alright.
Plates. Scared, but we're gonna get that. Yeah, dude, that was pretty fucking.
Yeah.
Currently debating.
Wanna go second?
Yeah. I'm gonna give him some space. I'm a little bit nervous here.
You want me to go second?
You can go. I don't know how this looks on tape, but this is steep. Here he is. Oh, where's the... Where's... Oh gosh. The most heinous noise possible on camera. The most heinous noise possible on camera. Alright, hold on folks. Let me just focus. Woo. I gotta go your way. You don't have to rush, but... Is that what? Trooping. Absolutely trooping. Oh. Make your tree. Stay strong, stay strong. We're almost there.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
The painful part about this shit is that I have to do it on my feet. But my toes is to be chill.
Right.
You don't have to go switch. Not probably not.
You could try. I do that.
You got it. Trying to game plan here. Take a look at the mountain. There we go. We're going fast. Oh yeah. Oh! Wipe out! Wipe out, dude. Crazy.
Did you read it flip yourself?
Wow, views for days.